Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add the home climate sensor widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Wallpaper. Then tap on the Customize Image on the left hand side. Next, at the bottom here, tap on the Widget Panel. Then from the pop-up at Widget Screen, we then scroll down and then tap on Home. Now swipe to the left until you see it said Climate Sensor, and then tap on that. So you can tap or you can drag it to your widget panel and let go, or you can just simply tap on it. It will get added to the widget panel. Alright, after that, tap on the Close button, then tap on the Close button again to close your widget selection. And that's it. So that is how you can add in a widget. Now after that, tap on the Done button at the top to save the changes. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. When you lock your screen, on your lock screen, it will show your home climate sensor widget. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.